Cleaning chlorinated solvent sites with low-cost and sustainable solutions, a 23-year retrospective. Since our founding in 2000, TRS has completed 180 projects over 130 at chlorinated solvent sites. These projects involve remediating trichloroethane, TCE, and tetrachloroethane, PCE, in tight formations near dry cleaners, chemical factories, and other solvent handling facilities. We usually treat chlorinated solvents using electrical resistance heating, or ERH. Our power control units, PCUs, come in sizes appropriate for the application. We often apply ERH at small sites with total project costs in the $1 to $3 million range, which includes energy and drilling. Compared to the cost of excavation and off-site treatment or disposal, ERH solutions are attractive as they eliminate the pollution liability. We excel at CVOC remediations with cost-effective, sustainable, and robust solutions. For more information, visit www.thermalrs.com.